We've got a new rider, a young rider, actually. Listen, this guy, he's all the way from the USA. Can you give it up for the young gun, Brian Maya?
Good morning, guys. Today, we're building a pit bike track.
Everybody's telling me love is not, it seems to be personal, you don't want it to. I bet I walk my way, let the humming voices fade, living the way I do. You ran outside the door, trying to collect my thoughts, silly words from yesterday. Act like I lose my mind every time when you're around. I have so much to say. Everything will change one day. Every moment's gonna fade, blurring over memories. Tell me nobody can love forever. I have so much to say.
Are you making another novel?
Probably. Alright guys, day 2. We already got all the dirt moved over to the track. We were riding a little bit yesterday, and we've got two more semi truckloads of dirt that came in this morning. So we're gonna go finish this thing off.
Hold up, turn up. This is single for the summer. I got your cover. They wanna ask about my numbers. Fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby. Come on, I never trust them. I got the spot going up, yeah. I'm in these streets just like a runner. I'm on some other. You see me starting, I be ducking and fucking buzzing. I'm buzzing as yo, I be killing. Y'all feel be illin'. Yellow bikinis and Tahiti. Them look like Riri. I build that
Single
seaweed
for the summer, in California. Suppose it says a come up, fuck up the numbers. Yeah, we barely got it started, and now we rollin'.
I got the spot going up, yeah. What, ayy, single for the.
Keep a couple damn girls in my apartment. My damn comforter is Ralph Lauren. Hey, towel on my dick, hop out the shower. Blowing money fast, don't like to count it. Ay, bitches at the
verses make way for Carter. In the booth with my baby calling. Hit ignore cause this hit is sure to be brazy. Make my whole wave get stronger. That ain't sit with her well. Texting me go to hell. Escalating towards the breaking point is boiling up and up until I'm single for the summer. Give me your number. I'ma have you singing like Aretha. When I hit it lethal. In them dirty sneakers and a t-shirt. Better do your research. Bitch, I'm a national treasure. Bitch, I don't crack under pressure. Bitch, I bedazzle you peasants. Bitch, I'm a dog from the reservoir. I kill a man with an XLR. I smoke a blunt with the Reverend dog. I fuck a bitch in my ex's car. I don't ever flinch. Always hit the switch, bitch. Got a felon jibs. Hold up.
It's a single for the summer. I got your cover. They wanna ask about my numbers. Fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby. Come on. I never trust them. I got the spot going up. Yeah. You wanna go dirt bike right now? We don't have the bike. Oh, they went
No, that's good. That's good.
I can't
Dude.
even drink this. I need some like chips.
Dude, that's your Gucci. We get up and we just smack him. You're still getting smacked.
You guys can't smack me. Pinky promise. Cross his count.
Nah, I crossed my fingers.
Alright guys, so the track is done. Fine, it's done, right?
Yeah, it's done.
It's done. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good, because the Bobcat's gone. We rode a little bit today. Not very many shots of me. That's alright. Dylan's got some. Dylan is an editor. What's your occupation?
Filmer, photographer.
What he said.
Make sure you go follow him at GTC Films on Insta.
GTC Films on Instagram.
So this is Dylan. He was writing in
Yeah.
the edit I just made. Dylan is going to end our vlog.
Because he's the newbie.
Of course.
Have you watched the vlogs?
I've watched a couple.
Alright, so you should know how to end it.
I'm gonna leave it hanging for you guys there.
Close.
Oh
Close.
my God.
Hanging. I'm leaving it hanging.
It
for
sounds
you.
better. I'm telling you, it does sound better.
It
Tell me
does
it does sound better.
That does sound good. What the hell?
I'm gonna leave it hanging for you guys.
You sound like a lawnmower hitting the rev
I'm gonna leave it here for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with all your friends.
That's pretty good.
Catch you on the other side.
Yeah, you gotta come up. You gotta come over here.
But that's not loud, but do it for the vlog.